Hey there, Greymates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get explosive arrows in Crimson Desert. Now, the location where I'm at is currently to the north of Hernan, as you can see right here, just above between the R and the N over on this location. And if you want a better landmark, there's the Deep Fog Basin over here to the right. Now, to find the explosive arrows, you actually have to buy them from a back alley shop. As you can see right here, I've already marked them on the map. Now I'm going to approach him. He's going to be right over here. And if I press over to shop, over to buy, and you'll be able to see explosive arrows right here, and he has a stock of 2. Unfortunately, it's only going to be that small amount. However, if you do have a bow that has over 100% chance of not to consume arrows, you'll be able to continuously fire explosive arrows without using any of them. And because I have the abyss gears of me not being able to consume any arrows, I can pretty much shoot all of the explosive arrows whenever I want without the consequence of losing any ammo. And that's pretty much about it on how to get explosive arrows in Crimson Desert.